Bring it here, boy. Good boy.
Good boy.
Theo. Come here, buddy. Good boy. Good boy. Ready?
Go get it. Ooh, a catch.
Come on, boys.
Here we go, bringing it back together.
Good boys. Gimme. Come on, boy.
Loves it. So good. So good at that. Alright, another catch. Doing good, buddy. That's right, Theo. You help him carry it back. You help him. You help him, buddy.
Come here. Gimme it.
Leave it.
Ready, boy?
That's his command. He understands. Leave it. And he'll immediately drop it. Good boy, Theo. Oh, good boy, boss man.
Ready?
Oh, close one, Boston.
Come on, guys.
Here.
Come on.
Here. Here. Good boys.
Okay. Leave it.
Isn't that so
Leave it.
cute how they carry it back
Leave it.
together? Here. I want to do one. Yeah! Awesome, and I missed it. Another catch.
Come on, boy.
Here. Here. Let Mama try. Here. Here. Good boy, Theo. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Good boy. Ready? Go.
Oh, wow.
Well, I thought if I did it shorter, he'd catch it. Good job, guys. Good job.
Leave it. Ready, boy?
Good boy.
Oh. Come on, boy. Guys, it's tired now.
Come on, guys. Here. 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 Mama. Hey.
Leave it. Leave it.
Good boy.
Good boy.
Awesome catch. Good job, Boston.
Come on, boys.
They love this.
Leave it. You ready? You ready? You ready? Who's ready? Who's ready?
Oh, close one. Here. Good job. Good job. All right, you want to try the pool?
Leave it.
You want to try the pool? You want to try the pool?
Come on, boys.
Come on. Come on. Get it. Get it.
Get it, buddy. Get it, buddy.
You might. Get it.
Get it. Get it.
All right. I love these boys. Good job. Good job.
Leave it.
Leave it.
Leave it. Hey. Get it, boy. Come on. Come on, get it. Get it. Get it.
I love this. I just love this.
Come on, boy.
Theo gets so excited, but he won't go in.
Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Get it, boy. Get it, boy.
Theo almost had it.
Come on, boy.
Almost had it.
All right.
I think we're going to have to buy a new Frisbee.
Hey, leave it. Leave it. Once he gets tired, he won't give it up.
Leave it. Here. 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 Here.
tired. He won't
Yeah.
rest.
You still got to get. Look at that frisbee. Look what you've done to that frisbee. He's taking a rest. Oh, I wasn't trying to force it. I was letting him catch his breath.
Leave it.
Boss man.
No, he's done. He's tired.
Okay, come on.
Okay, boy. It's okay, boy. You take a rest. You take a rest. You're an old guy, huh?
Oh, we should have taken his collar off. He's not
You're an
old.
old guy.
See, I'm only 8. I'm only 8. Besides, he did all the work.
Why don't you get in there,
We
big
just
boy?
stood there.
There he goes.
Yeah, he's going to go out there so he can try to chew it up. Buddy, you can't chew that up till we buy you a new one. Okay? Okay. Say hi to everybody. Say, I am such a good boy. My name is Boston. Sometimes my mommy calls me Boss Man. Foster mommy. Hey, foster mommy, but that's okay. It's the same thing. Leave it. Leave it. Boston, leave it. Leave it. No. Come on. Come on. Usually you listen. You just want to rest? Okay. All right, boy. That's good. That's enough for now. Where you going? Where you going? All right. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Yep, he's having a rest. What you doing, Theo? What you doing, buddy?
Collar doesn't stay right.
It's all wet.
Yeah. It
Good
doesn't,
boy.
it doesn't stay. This
Say
is-
bye-bye. Bye-bye.